Alright, welcome back to SOS. I'm Stats on BA. Alright, I'm burying caches, supplies. I've done, you know, east, west, north, south, you know, different locations, and you gotta plan for a way out. No one wants to hear. No one wants this. I already know this video is going to get demonetized. I don't care right now. I would like to get this out here, information for you guys, my ideas and thoughts. It's coming, right? And everyone wants this fairy tale, this flippin' fairy tale, this fantasy, you know, it's reality, man. It's reality. And here's the thing. You know, you can have bug out bags and all this stuff, right? It's not going to matter if they come, you know, if they, whoever they are, you know, everybody likes to say they, these people, the government, right? It doesn't matter who these people are. Whatever comes your way, whatever comes to your home, whatever comes to your tribe, your little pack of people, it doesn't matter who comes your direction. You are going to have to deal with it. And if dealing with it means facing it in a firefight or leaving, then you need options. You need contingency plans. And sitting there thinking that, well, reality. You get to thinking, all right, it's coming. It's coming. It doesn't matter what it is, but it's coming. Whatever it is, and it decides to come get you. Whatever, you know, if it's the government or whatever the case. If it decides to grind you up, you are you, and you have your family. You might even have some little ones, might even have some kids. If you decide you're going to bug out, most people think the reality of all situations is bugging out. There's a great possibility you won't be bugging anywhere. You might be staying in your location. And what do you have in your location? Well, Jim Bob and Billy Bob and all the other homie G's want to know, what do you got in your house, right? They want to know what you got, right? Black rifles matter, right? I know someone's going to ask, so I had to tip the camera down. They want to know. They want to know what's in your house. Don't keep it all at your house. Don't keep all your eggs in one basket. Many preppers have said before. It's just like, I think Cody Lundeen was the first one. He wrote the book, right? When All Hell Breaks Loose or something like that. He put a big section in there, you know, about putting your eggs in one basket. And don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? That's what I'm doing, you know. It doesn't matter. I mean, I did a full string of videos on Patreon a while back because they were all demonetized, like, because one involved reloading and stuffing you're stuffing a shotgun in a tube, and you know, a bunch of other survival related stuff. You know, it's all going to get demonetized. So I just said, you know, I'm not going to put that out to everybody. And you know, after a couple thousand videos, I'm at the point where I'm like, you know, stuff getting deleted. I'm going to start getting rid of a lot of the videos because they're, you know, it's just anything for YouTube to come get me. So that's enough of that drama. Anything for them to come get me, man. Sometimes I just want to turn the camera on and just start running my mouth, but anything for them to come get you, and this all goes with that. If you're stuffing a shotgun in a PVC pipe and putting a lid on it, then they're going to come get you, right? They're going to come after your channel, right? They don't like that. Don't show them that stuff. Well, I did, well, for that series, I did first aid and medical supplies, right? Nothing but medical supplies, nothing but food. One was just nothing but food and nothing but guns. right? Nothing but guns, nothing but food, nothing but survival gear, nothing but knives, nothing but, you know, all this stuff, man. PVC piped it up, man. I've got caches all over the place. And insurance policy, man. You need an insurance policy. You get to thinking about it, it's like all these people, like, I'm getting a haircut today, right? So I'm doing my hair, you know, I'm getting faded, right? Getting some nice fade, right? Getting the medium regs and stuff. I had a guy try to beat me into a barbershop to get a haircut. If a person is willing to beat you and a family with some kids into a barbershop, you can only imagine the kind of drama that same individual is going to bring to you in a grocery store. When you go shopping, you're over here trying to get some, gotta get the bread and milk. You know, you're over here trying to get the bread and milk, and you've got all these people swarming in. They don't care. Nobody cares that you've got kids. Nobody cares about your life, your service, who you are. You are none of that. Nobody cares. No one cares that you are a human life. No one cares that you're a brother or a sister. No one cares. At the point of chaos, they will roll over you like a flipping steamroller. They will run you down. And what are you going to do about it? Because that's what the world is going to do. We are outnumbered. The group follows the majority, and that is the way it's going to roll. The group follows the majority. If the government decides they're going to come get your stuff, they can. They can come get your stuff. And how many fellas are with me? How many fellas are going to come with me and help me? When they come and get my stuff, how many fellas are going to be there? Right? Makes you wonder. It really makes you wonder. Because there's a lot of fakes, phonies, flakes. You know what I mean? Just saying. Because you need to think. Reality. You got your family, you and your family, right? What are you going to do? This goes with my plans, my different locations, all that stuff. It's up here in my noodle, right? You need plans. And I can do all kinds of supplies, and someone can come to my house. Y'all got anything? Flip my house upside down, right? The Death Squad can come to my house. Read a history book, folks. The Death Squad can come to my house to they can come burn down my village, right? They could come burn down my village and destroy all my stuff and flip all my stuff upside down, and then convince my neighbors to kill everybody, right? To shoot a baby in the head because it won't stop crying. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff that people need to read up on into history, because people forget. People like me remember. I don't forget stuff like that. I read and keep up. They don't want you to know that. They don't want to teach you that. Anyway. But you got to prepare. You got to get ready. Because it might not be today. It might not be tomorrow. It might not be next year. 2 years from now. But it's coming. And when it gets here, you're going to wish you would have. You're going to wish you would have had a way out. How many routes away from my home? How many places can I bury and hide stuff? Where can I put it on a map? You know? What if you need more medical supplies? There's no more hospital services. You're all alone, in the middle of the woods. Right? I'm just saying. Hope this helps. Hope it motivates a few of you, because I know a lot of you need it. You got to do something. Don't let them walk all over you. You got to get ready. All right. If you're watching SOS, I'm BA. A beautiful, fabulous, fantastic day. Rainbows and unicorns. God bless. Take care.